We've got some fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3, listen.
Hey guys, here at Universal Music today we're going to be doing all their doors, printed frosting. Going to make it look really nice and professional for them. Going to have all their logos up on the door and it's going to look really nice. We're also going to be making sure that this place is COVID ready today. Make sure that we have all the signs up that are in regulations with COVID standards. Stick around and I'll show you how I did all of it. So we're going to be using the sandblasted vinyl, basically it's called frosting. And the reason why we use this is that we can still print on it. Can't do full color, but we can do solid colors. For the printing of the frosting, we're just going to be using it as if we were printing on normal vinyl. There's nothing special about it. We're just going to be printing as normal. Just keep in mind that there's going to be no white background, so we won't have any full color images. We can only do solid colors because there is no white backing. Just keep that in mind. To install the frosting on the window, we're going to be spraying some water mixed with sunlight soap, just a small solution that we use. Then we use a glass scraper just to clean up all the glass, any dirt that's on it, so that there's no dents in the vinyl or spots when you're applying it. And then once we've applied it to the glass, we're going to leave it for about half an hour just so that it can dry and all the water can drop down to the floor. Then we'll go ahead and trim the edges. For this very long door which has the printed frosting on it, what I'll do is I'll spray the door first with a sunlight solution, stick the sticker backwards onto the door and then peel it from the other side, just so that it's easier to peel this long piece so we don't crinkle it at all. And then once we've done that, then we'll spray more soapy solution on the sticky side, turn it around and then slowly squeegee it out on the window. The reason why we use frosting is so that we can let out a lot of light through all the doors, because we don't want to block out all the light from all the offices. We need to make sure that they can still have natural light through all the doors. Having said that, we're also installing frosting on the bottom half of the offices just for privacy sakes for all the employees inside their offices. We're also going to be installing frosting inside the storeroom just so that we can block some light from reaching any of the products that will be in the store.
The new FastCOLOUR 1 large format printer from AM.CO.za. The basic unit consists of the FastCOLOUR 1 printer that includes a single or double Epson XP 600 printhead. It has a 1600mm print area and it makes use of a CMYK bulk ink system, and the ink types that can be used with this printer include sublimation ink, water-based ink or eco-solvent ink, which is now also available in 3-year grade outdoor ink. The printer works on a tidy roll-to-roll system and includes internal heating as well as a front dryer. It is capable of bidirectional printing and comes packaged with SCI Photo Print RIP software. It is perfect for vinyl, poster, banner, wallpaper and canvas printing. For more information, please call sales on 060 600 6000.
For the COVID stickers and all the signs that we're going to be doing today, we're going to be using an easy removal vinyl just so that When they are ready to remove all of them, we're not going to rip off any paint or damage the existing frosting on any of the windows that we're going to be sticking it to. For the sanitize your hand stickers, it's going to be an easy removable vinyl, so there will be no need for any water application here. We just line it up and then stick it straight to the glass or onto frosting where it's needed. We're also going to be using a normal greyback vinyl for the floor in front of the microwave with laminates on, just so that it can stay stuck to the floor and it'll last its period while people walk on it while they're going to the microwave.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business, heading toward infinity and beyond. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.